So let's continue our lesson. So we are now in the universal set. So the universal set, U, is the set that contains all objects under consideration. So the symbol for the universal set is capital U na wala pong buntot. So sometimes universal set is also called universe. So what is universal set? When you say universal set, it is the main or the root of everything. For example, the set of objects, everything on that objects is called universal set. So, para siyang pinagmulan ng lahat. So, example, the set U contains the set of whole numbers or whole numbers. So, pinagmulan ng 1 is a whole number. Pinagmulan ng 2 is a whole number. So, therefore, the universal set is the whole numbers. Next, example number 2. So, by the way, to enumerate, the set U contains the set of whole numbers is like this. U with the elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and so on. So, you may also write this one in this manner. So, universal set U is equal to 1, 2, 3. And kapag ayaw mo na nadagdagan, pwede mo siyang tuldok-tuldok na lang diretso like that. So that is a universal set. Now take note, the symbol is capital U. Next. Another example, set U contains the set of all letters of the English alphabet. Now what are the letters that could be found in the English alphabet? So, U is equal to the set of A, B, C, and so on hanggang saan ba matapos ang letter? Letter Z. So that's it. That's the answer for number 2 example. Next, continue. So you may also enumerate everything. But pag pwede naman siyang gawing shortcut, you can do that one in that manner na konti lang yung sagot. So they are just the same. Next, more examples. The set U contains the set of days of the week. What are the days in the week? So, there are how many answers? 7. So, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Can I start in Monday? Yes, of course. Next. Subsets. Subsets is just a part of a universal set. If the universal set is the parent, the subset is the son or the daughter or yung anak. Kumbaga part lang siya ng universal set. So, given any two sets, A and B, is every element in A is also an element in B, then A is a subset of A. So, ganyan po yung pagkasulat. So, what is the symbol for A? For subset. Take note, the symbol is para siyang yun na nakahiga na may underline. So, pagbasa niyan, A subset B, or A is a subset of B. So, note, every set is a subset of itself, and empty set is also a subset of every set. So, ano daw? Lahat po ng set merong subset. And mismo yung kanyang subset is subset niya sa kanyang sarili. Ang empty set naman is subset ng lahat ng set. Okay, continue. Example of subset. So, R has elements 1 and 2. So, the possible subsets are for 2 elements 1 and 2, for 1 element 1 and 2, for 0 element is null. Tulad ng sinabi kanina, ang subset has the elements of itself. So, 0 element null or the symbol null. Next. What about this one? So, for set O, has the elements red, blue, and yellow. So, for the 3 elements, we have the red, blue, and yellow, or blue, yellow, and red, or yellow, blue, and red. So, either of the 3 is correct. So, that's 2 elements. For the 2 elements, we have red, blue, blue, yellow, yellow, red. So, for 1 element, red, blue, and yellow. For zero element, we have the null set. Oops, sorry. Next, null set. What is this null set? When you say null set, it is an empty set. Wala po siyang laman. For example, a set with no element is an empty set or null set. The symbol for empty set is open and close brace or a zero with slash. So example, the set of the set of months in a week. Meron bang buwan sa 1 week? 'Di ba wala? So therefore, it is null. Another example. Oops, sorry. Example of null set. So, set T is the set of counting numbers between 1 and 2. What are the numbers used in counting? So, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and so on and so forth. But, that counting numbers must be between 1 and 2. Is there a counting number between 1 and 2? So, wala. So, therefore, you write null or the symbol for null. Set I is the set of months within 35 days. Do we have months that has 35 days in 1 month? So therefore, none. So that is null. Set M is the set of cars with 60 doors. Have you ever seen a car with 60 doors? So, no, none at not all. Set B is the set of flying castles. Do we have flying castles? Maybe in our imagination there is, but in reality there's none. So therefore, the answer is a null set. Next, cardinality of sets. Cardinality of sets is just simply counting the elements. So the cardinal number of set A denoted by n of A is the number of elements in set A. Thus, in A has a subset of 1, 3, 5, 7. The cardinality of set A is equal to 4 because set A contains 4 elements. Let us see. 1, 3, 5, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. Therefore, if you are going to count this one, there are 4 elements. The answer is 4. Example of cardinality of sets. Set D is the set of vowels in English alphabet. What are the vowels in the English alphabet? We have A, E, I, O, U or A, E, I, O, U. So how many are those? Those are 5. Therefore, the cardinality, the small n means cardinality. Of what? Of what set? The given is D, therefore D is written here. If it is letter O, therefore O also will be written here. Next, set R is the set of letters in the word difficulty. So, difficulty, you are going to enumerate the elements or the letters can be found in difficulty. But, you have to take note that there is no repetition of elements. So, we have D, I, F, count as 1, I count as 1, C, U, L, T, and Y. And that is, or the cardinality of set R is 8. Next, set M is the set of odd numbers between 1 and 3. So, what are the numbers between 1 and 3? Odd. Do we have odd number between 1 and 3? So, even maybe that is 2. But odd number, there's none. So, therefore, the answer is null, and since we're looking for the cardinality and null set is empty or wala, therefore 0 is the answer. Oops, sorry. Okay, let's proceed now to what's more by opening your Google Classroom and answer part number 3.